Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Competition. Today, we're talking about that funny moment when every one suddenly discovers hidden talent, extra energy, and a determination level that wasn't there 5 minutes ago. One, the friendly race. I'm just jogging for fun. 5 seconds later, why am I sprinting? Reason, a little challenge can boost motivation. Two, video games. One quick match, suddenly full focus mode activated. Reason, everyone enjoys testing their skills. Three, last slice of pizza. Nobody wanted it until someone reached for it. Reason, things seem more valuable when others want them. Four, classroom quiz. Everyone becomes a lightning fast thinker. Reason, challenges encourage learning. Five, puzzle challenge. Finding one piece feels like winning a championship. Reason, small victories feels rewarding. Six, karaoke night. People suddenly perform their world tour. Reason, friendly competition builds confidence. Seven, shopping deals. You walk faster than usual for the sale section. Reason, everyone loves a good bargain. Our rival games. Winning a tiny prize feels like winning a giant trophy. Reason, success feels exciting regardless of size. Nine, board games. The rule become extremely important. Reason, fair play matters during challenge. 10, social media challenges. Creative ideas appears from nowhere. Reason, challenges inspire innovation. 11, sandcastle building. A simple sandcastle becomes a masterpiece project. Reason, competition encourages extra effort. Baking contest, everyone suddenly becomes a master chef. Reason, people enjoy showing their creativity. 13, art challenge. One drawing turns into an entire gallery. Reason, challenges inspire imagination. 14, speed cleaning. Cleaning becomes an sports event. Reason, competition can make tasks more fun. 15, being your best. The goal isn't beating others, it's improving yourself. Reason, personal growth is one of the healthiest form of competition. Whether it's a game, quizzes, sports, baking, or simply trying to improve yourself, friendly competition can make life more exciting, enjoyable, and memorable. Remember, compete with kindness, celebrate with effort, and cheer for others too. Like, share, and subscribe. Gracias.